Hello guys, welcome to this video. It's a pleasure having you here today. Before we proceed, kindly ensure you refer to the description menu below this video for a better understanding of this tutorial. If you must understand and comprehend this tutorial, then reading the description is highly mandatory. All you have to do right now is pause this video right away and take out a few seconds to read through the video description before you continue watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any updates. Best wishes. Now, let's get started.
Welcome back. In this section, we are going to be creating a news media website, something similar to yabaleftonline.com. And let's head straight into it. So if you take a look at this website, yabaleftonline.com, you'll be able to see that it is a news site. You know, you can see how good it's looking, so responsive, and all the images. You can see banners. You know, they're making money out of the website, and you can see more banners. As you can see, my YouTube feed is down, so I can't even view YouTube videos right now. Okay, so you can see all these news. Oh, okay, so let's head straight to it. This is their footer, and I have in my possession the theme that was used to design this website, which is yabaleft, online.com, and that's the theme we're also going to be using to design our own news media websites. So let's close this and head straight to the business of the day. Just click on login. We're trying to log into our cPanel, and we are there. So right now I want to install WordPress, and I'm going to be using a different domain this time. So I'll just click on WordPress among my scripts and then head straight into it. I'm going to be clicking on install now, and selecting the domain that I want to use. In this case, this is the domain thefacttimes.com, and I'll just be setting it up. Just choose a name, the Fact Times, just put something there, the Fact Times, and put in your best news sites, just the description. Then you can change your username, leave it as admin. I always advise that for security reasons, always put a username that is unique to you. And if you are building for a client, you can put it in his name and just add a digit, because it's actually a safety precaution that you need to do. Don't use username as admin. I'm just doing this for demonstration purpose, but don't leave your username as admin. Always change it, because if they are trying to hack your website, that's the first thing they will do. So just gonna remove this right now. Instead of admin, I'll just put something like CEO. I think there's a limit. To how many things you can put here. So I'll just put admin CEO. Yeah, I think that's better. And then put a password. You could just put something simple like I love news 123 and $, as long as it's strong. That's what's important. So you put that. As long as it's strong, you make sure you put it there. And then then you install. Simple as that. So I'm waiting for our installation to go through smoothly, and as soon as it's done, yeah, you can see it's done. So all we need to do now is just click on WP-admin. So you can see it's going to redirect us to our website. So we successfully installed WordPress and want to set up our news theme. So as usual, because it's a large file, I want to go through cPanel. So I'm just going to click on the cPanel. I keep doing this so that you can have a feel of what it means to navigate the cPanel and know that it's not really difficult to upload your theme files via the cPanel. So just click on the file manager. Then you go and locate where your domain is. You can see that apart from public_html, I have two domains here, this and this, the facttimes.com. So you just click on the facttimes.com. It's going to bring out what we are seeing right now, the WordPress installation. Reason being because under this particular hosting, I can support more than one domain name or one website. So all I need to do is just go into WP-content and upload the theme that I want to use by entering into themes. click upload, wait for it to come up, click select file, and wait for it to come up, then select the theme that you want to use. It's really that simple. And then all you need to do is look for the theme that you want to use, choose the file. You can see it here, and just click select, and you can see it's already loading up. 8.71. Oh, okay, which means we could have even done it through the front end. It's not that heavy, so all we need to do is just be patient and wait for it. So it has been uploaded, and just click on go back, and then we're going to zip the file. Just refresh so that you can see it here. You can see it's not showing. So what does it mean? You just have to go back, just click it. So eventually show. It's just a system error. So you come here, and then you can see it's showing right now. Just click extract, once more, and wait for it. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, everything is there. So if I reload, I'm going to see my theme file sitting pretty. You can see it there. So all I need to do is just delete this one. I don't need it again. It's just a zip file, and that's it. So we have our theme inside successfully. All we need to do is just click on appearance, themes, and you can see the newspaper. You can see the newspaper theme. So all I need to do is just activate it, which is what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna close this. Okay, so we're asked to install the Visual Composer. So all I need to do is go to plugin installer and look at the Visual Composer and just install it. You can also see another plugin that I'm asked to install. So I'll click on install here, and you can see the revolution slider is optional, but the Visual Composer is actually required, meaning it's compulsory for you to install it. So you can work with what is given to you here, the instructions that are given, so that's what we just need to do. So it's been activated, and you just have to select the next one, which is the tag div social counter. And click on install. Okay, so we have it in, and this is a different plugin called the tag div social counter. So the next one is the revolution slider. We can either upload it ourselves or install it. So since we don't really need it for now, all we need to do is just work with what we have. So let's go and activate and install the demos. So we just click on install demos. It's already under the theme panel, and you can see these are the different demos that come with the website. These are the different demos that come with the website. So at any point in time, you can always choose any of them you would like. And as you can see, there are different niches for the news, the kind of news, news designs that they have. They have the ones for recipes, for those that are into food. If you have a client that wants to open a food blog, this is one of the ones you should try and check out. If you have someone that's into medicine, if you have someone that's into traveling, someone that is into baby cousins, baby contest or whatever, a health blog, car blog, wedding blog, animal blog, political blog, an educational blog, local news, restaurant blog, someone that is into health and fitness, tech news. Yeah, there are a lot of tech blogs out there. Sports news, if you want to do a sports website, sports news website, something for this. One for fashion, one for video news. There are so many of them, you can't get enough. You can see the one for recipes. It's so into the whole food niche. You can see how classic it looks like, and you can see the other ones here too. Let's check out a few before we start setting up. Check out a few of them. And you can see the one for sports. So this is for newspaper tech, and okay, let's see, it's the one for baby blog and health blog. Okay, so this is the newspaper tech. You can see the design, and it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is just change out all the areas, start posting the articles, and you are good to go. So it hasn't really loaded fully, that's why it's looking a bit static. So as soon as it loads fully, we'll see all the features that it comes with. So you just need to be able to be patient and wait for it to load fully so that you can see. So this is an exact, let me close this. This is an exact layout of how your site will look like if you want to use something for gadgets. Just put your logo in here. You can see there's even space for ads. Space for ads here. So this is the plugin, the social counter plugin that we installed. You can see showing the amount of clients that are there, the amount of followers that you can have, sorry, and so on and so on. So it's rather a very, very good media design. And this is another one. This one is just for sports, so you can see the arrangement also. So depending on what you are looking at, you can see, and everything is already there for you. You can see the banners. They even have the different sports sections, so you can just change them out. This is World Cup 2016. This is one for popular news, Rally Cup, so on and so forth. So a lot of different categories here. All you need to do is just change it, and then change your logo, change your categories, change your information, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that being said, we've seen the demos and we're about to install our own demo. So in this case, what we need to do right now is just to click on the default demo and then install it. So I'm going to click on install and click on OK, and then all we need to do is just wait for it to load up properly, and it shouldn't take too long for us to see that happen. So as you can see, our demo has been installed, and all we need to do is just click on pages to see how much how many pages are there right now. You can see what it says. It says newspaper brings you a number of unique designs for your website. Our demos were carefully tested, so you don't have to create everything from scratch. So these guys already know. They already created these themes for you. They already know, okay, this is the purpose you want to serve it for, and this is the area that you might want this particular item, maybe a picture here, a video here, a logo there. So a lot of the settings have already been created down for you. You just have to change the content, and that's why you have the visual composer, just to drag and drop certain elements, without having to write a single line of code. So let me just click on pages and let's see how many pages got imported. And you can see there are so many of them, So right now, this is our front page, which is news, and I'm going to right click to view it. And we're also going to check out some of the other ones. I can see a sports homepage here, so let me just quickly check it out and see. So these are the fact time sites. So you can see how clean it looks. Okay, we're in business. So these are our own news sites. This looks very nice, right? Good. So these are our own news sites. Looks very, very clean, and different articles and posts have already been imported. So all we need to do is just delete them all and then put in our own. This is the home page for sports, but I don't even see any sport news there. But it's just showing us a different outlook. So alright, I hope you understood how we installed our demo in this section, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive tutorials.